simplify each expression using the product or quotient rule for exponents or both. So in example A, we have a to the fourth b to the seventh divided by a b to the second. Now right away, I'm going to think of that a in the denominator as an a to the first power. So here we have this big fraction. It has factors in each. And if we think about how multiplication with fractions works, we can split this up into two fractions. I can think of this as a to the fourth over a to the first times b to the seventh over b to the second. And if you just think about how multiplication of fractions works, you can see that this is true by taking it in the other direction. Now, using the quotient rule, we could write this as a to the 4 minus 1 times b to the 7 minus 2. And more simply, that would give us a to the third times b to the fifth. Exercise B. M to the second, n to the fifth, n to the third over m n to the second. The first thing I'm going to do here is notice that in the numerator we have n to the fifth times n to the third. So I'm going to use the product rule for exponents to rewrite the numerator. So I'd have m to the second, and then I'd have n to the 5 plus 3. And I'll leave the denominator alone. And so then this is more simply m to the second n to the eighth over m n to the second. Now, like in the previous example, I can break this up into two fractions. M to the second over m times n to the eighth over n to the second. Applying the quotient rule, that's m to the 2 minus 1 times n to the 8 minus 2, which is more simply m to the first power n to the sixth power. Alright, so recall that 2 minus 1, that leaves us with an exponent of 1, which we normally don't write. Exercise C, we have a to the fifth b to the fourth over a to the second b to the second times a to the eighth b to the fifth over a to the seventh b. So like I've done in both of the previous exercises, I'm going to split these bigger fractions up into smaller fractions. So I will write a to the fifth over a to the second times b to the fourth over b to the second. So that's sort of the first fraction. The second fraction is a to the eighth over a to the seventh times b to the fifth over b. Applying the quotient rule repeatedly, we'd have a to the 5 minus 2, b to the 4 minus 2, a to the 8 minus 7, and b to the 5 minus 1. Or more simply, a to the third, b to the second, a to the first, b to the fourth. Now notice we have factors of a and b, and so let me rearrange them. And I move that out of the way, or over to the left. Let me rearrange this. And so that would give me a to the third times a times b to the second times b to the fourth. I use the commutative property to rearrange things. And now I can use the product rule. And so that would be a to the 3 plus 1 times b to the 2 plus 4. And the simplified form then is a to the fourth times b to the sixth.